Hello, I'm Blake Berticelli Booth, the founder of Equalify.
And I'm Kevin Andrews, a certified web accessibility specialist and the owner of Unlocked Freedom Access in DC.
Today we are going to just do a quick demo of the Equalify version 1 beta. And I'll share my screen now to show you kind of what we're looking at. So the version 1 beta is really the newest, greatest workhorse of Equalify. You can add any properties you want into Equalify and then send those properties to scan. So right now I'm on the properties page, and then I'll click Edit Property, and then I'll click Scan. Once a property is sent to a scan, it will be listed under the scans page. So I'm under scans right now, and I'm showing all the great properties that are in Equalify that have been scanned. Properties should take from 5 to 10 seconds per page to scan, and we're always speeding up that report. And then if you actually want to see a report or create a report in Equalify, you go under the Reports tab. And under this tab, we have several different reports. You can create a report from scratch, or you can select an existing report. So I'm going to go ahead and select the Equalify homepage report. And when I'm on this page, I can see, because I'm a sighted user, a chart that shows the active issues going down over time. This is what we want to see. We want to see equalified issues rising and active issues going down. Equalified takes care of watching what your issues are doing over time. So we're going to study from the start of you using Equalify to the most recent day of how issues are working within your system. We're also going to list out the different messages related to the web accessibility problems in your system. So we have a few messages here of the issues. We're listing out the number of active issues related to each message, and then we have some tags related to the messages there. You can also go and look at a single URL and see the issues related to that single URL. Right now, I'm on a page that is just our Equalify homepage, and it's showing all of the messages that are related to that page. If you want to edit a report, you just click Edit a Report, and then you click Filter By, and you can decide what you want to filter by. Once you start typing in the field to filter, you can then filter it. So I can select color contrast rule, and it'll only show that. I can get rid of different messages so that I am then updating the report and looking at everything. So right now I updated the report, and it's showing me all the different messages that I'm looking at. Again, it'll show you messages that happened over time, so we can track how we're fixing issues over time. And that's a really big piece. But another big piece that I'm very, very proud of is that these reports and all of Equalify is very friendly to screen readers. Kevin here has helped us a lot along the way to make sure Equalify is friendly for screen readers. And Kevin, you want to go ahead and show what this reports page looks like on a screen reader?
Yeah,
Inbox one, the qualify
we're
homepage,
looking
main
at
region,
the report
navigate,
page. This is with JAWS. So I'll just go right into it.
participants, main region, heading level 1, the qualify homepage, link edit the qualify 20240822
So I'll jump to the
chart data heading level 2, table with 3,
chart. And as you can see and hear, this is turned into a table for somebody who can't see the screen. So I'll show you the table really quickly.
the date, column 1, 20240817, row the qualified, 0, active 80, column 3, the date, 20240822, row the qualified, 3, active 29, column 3, the date.
Right.
Table
And
N.
this is not a ton of data over time, but imagine, you're looking over the course of 6 months. That can be really valuable to you and your team, or leadership, or combination
Table
of
with
those things.
messages list,
Um,
message row, the qualified,
and then, as you can see, we have messages
active total, link 0,
and
30, links, link region, wrapping the top, 1, 3, 4 columns and 11 rows, messages list, 1 columns and 11 rows, tags list, column 1, row
tags,
1 columns and 11 rows, pages list,
pages.
wrapping the
So I'm just navigating very quickly by table, and you can easily jump around using all of the semantics that are familiar to a screen reader user.
stop share.
Yeah. And so the important thing that we've been focusing on at Equalify is to make sure that our reports are giving the same information to screen readers that they would give to sighted users using the site. And beyond screen readers, we're also kind of focused on different types of visual impairments, any kind of videos that we do, like this one, has captions, and we try to follow the WCAG 2.2 AA standards as close as possible. So again, try Equalify. I'll share my screen now and show you. If you have any issues at all, you can click the report a bug button on the page, or you can also go to GitHub where we publish Equalify. So github.com/equalify everything/equalify. The issues there are issues that we look at constantly. So feel free to post an issue on GitHub or just click report a bug. We're very excited to have people to try this out and use it. One more thing I should note is that we have a pretty robust API. So if you go to equalify.app and you click on the API docs page, you'll see that anything you can do with Equalify, you can do with the API. We really want to make sure that people are able to develop their own reports however they want. So you can do things like get results and change the type of visualization that those results are showed in. You can add reports, edit reports, all that can be done via the API. So docs.equalify.app is where you would find that, or equalify.app. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates as Equalify constantly gets better. Thanks.
Cool. Thank you.